Let's learn about types of fractions. We have so many different types of fractions like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, unit fractions, and mixed fractions. Let's understand what does this mean. This is a fraction. We write a fraction like this. There is a line. We write a number above the line and another number below the line. The number which is above the line, we call that number numerator, and the number which is below the line, we call that number denominator. These can be any numbers, but D should never be 0. D can't be 0. We cannot write the denominator 0. So basically, we write the fraction as n by d. First, we have like and unlike fractions. Like fractions are fractions with same denominator, like this. These four are like fractions because their denominator is same 16. So we call them like fractions. But if we have different denominators like this, then we call them unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are fractions with different denominators. And here you can see that all these four fractions have different denominators: 16, 19, 18, and 15. So we call them unlike fractions. Then we have proper and improper fractions. Proper fractions are fractions in which numerator is less than denominator, and improper fractions are fractions in which numerator is greater than denominator. For example, 2 by 6 and 14 by 27. They both are proper fractions because their numerator is less than denominator. 2 is less than 6 and 14 is less than 27. So they both are proper fractions. But if we have something like this, then we call them improper fractions because now we have numerator which is greater than the denominator. 12 is greater than 6 and 34 is greater than 27. So these kinds of fractions are known as improper fractions. Next we have unit fractions. Unit fractions are fractions in which n is equals to 1, means they have 1 as their numerator. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 7 or 1 by 12. Any fraction in which numerator is equals to 1, that fraction is known as unit fraction. Next we have mixed fractions. Mixed fractions are fractions which are the combination of whole number and fraction. We write the mixed fraction like this and we read it as 2 is to 3 by 4. Here 2 is the whole number and 3 by 4 is the fraction part. In our next videos, we will understand how to convert one type of fraction into another type of fraction.